Hey guys, Jaimie the Orange Huntress here, and I want to bring you into my kitchen today to show you Jaimie Oliver's venison stroganoff. I don't know if you're a stroganoff lover like me, or if you've ever even cooked venison in your life, but welcome to my kitchen where I'm going to show you how to do it in 1 minute.
Where's my plate? That's not enough.
What?
I want my plate. That's yours. Where's mine?
There you have it guys, venison stroganoff in 1 minute. If we're being realistic, probably about 30. So plan accordingly and prep your ingredients so you are ready to toss everything in the pan when you need to go. If you really like this cooking content today with venison, stay tuned. I'm going to be posting some cooking content at least once a month, and I'm going to be posting on Wednesday. Hit that subscribe button and ding that little bell and like the video and all that good stuff down below. And I'm so pumped to keep sharing hunting, venison, hunting, venison stuff with you in the days and years to come. Subscribe! Thanks so much for watching.